Yes,
so hopefully
yes,
that
it does.
makes sense. And I'm just going to do a little white stencil. We could do a red truck even. So just remember, if you want to, oh, hang on, green tree, guys. I see a green tree. We'll just do white for the words, because white stands out beautifully on black. And I'm using the black card that actually came with Essential Stencil's mini tag set. So guys, if you
Great way to demonstrate
have that, here's a good way.
Yeah, that brush is great. We love it.
Yeah, I love it. It's nice and soft bristles, which I think work really well. The swirling actually gets it really nicely on the edges. Then I'll grab the red and just do the truck. I think I need to take that green tree. Sort of-ish. See how well I do not painting it red. Offloading. And yeah, it'll be interesting to see how the red turns out on the black, because it may not turn out as bright as you want it, so white may have been a better choice. You could always add white on top and create a pink truck.
It is easy. You've just got to have a go.
Lots of practice, guys. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, let's just have a peek at that truck, because you can see it, but it's still a little dark, so I probably would prefer to do the white.
Put snow on it?
Yeah, we could put snow on the truck. Just going to move that tape down here so I can tape that. Alright, so the green tree may not also work out very well because it's dark on dark. So when you're stenciling, it's just a lot of practice, guys. So I'm doing it on black, so the white stands out beautifully, but the red and the green not as well. So what you could do is that shadowing effect that I've shown you before, is just adding the white underneath and then doing the red on top.
Yes.
Would you like me to show you that really quickly?
Yes.
Maybe on the other side I'll flip it over.
Yes.
Or we'll just use another card. Yes, we can actually do that using, yeah, I'll just do the same thing.
Louder, please, somebody said.
What was that?
One person said louder, please.
Okay, louder.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just going to do the white on the words again. So what I'm actually showing you this time is just how to make that red and the green pop from the page.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the white. So there we go, there's the white, and that really pops. But what I want to do is just try and create the red on top of the white to see if that makes a little bit of a shadow. I'm trying to make a little bit of a shadow. So what I want to do to make a shadow is just move it slightly off, either up or down, to the left or right, and then create that shadow. Now I am going to take that slightly, because I'm just going to be painting the truck, not the tree. So what we're going to do is just paint the red and a little bit of a shadow to see, look, really I haven't tried it with this stencil before, and to see how this white, the red might work on the white. You may have to do a couple of coats, but like I say, try it, have a go. So I'm actually painting the red over the white, and we're going to see if that pops a little bit more in the colour. And creates a bit of a shadow, because we've left some, I've shifted the stencil, so we should see a little white outline. Look at that, guys. So I'll give you a little peek there. Well, let's do the same with the tree.
Oh.
Have we zoomed in so we can
I am
see
super zoomed in.
Okay.
I love it.
So try not to get the red onto the paint there. I just want to actually just...
Try not to have technical pictures.
So I want to keep the other side for writing on. Okay, so we're going to just try and get this tree again with a little bit of shadow outline of the white, which possibly could look like snow. We can always add snow to our trees. Does anyone do that? Alright, here we go.
Yep.
So see the difference?
Ta-da!
How's that for
Okay,
difference?
let me
It
just...
really makes it pop here. So this is without using the white underneath. And remember this one, I created a slight shadow by shifting the stencil slightly down and across. So you only want to do it slightly, so it almost looks like we've outlined the truck and the tree. Does that make sense? Yep, to finish it off, I'm just going to, where was my scissors? I do have some. Yep,
Yay, organised.
I'm just going to cut straight across there. Now I could do some pencil lines, but I'm just going to trust myself and cut across where Essential has literally got their cut lines.
Oh my goodness.
And you just draw a little pencil mark in here, punch a hole, and there you've got your Merry Christmas tag ready to give to friends. Now to write on the back of it, you could use a silver pen, or I would cut out a little piece of white card and just glue it onto the back, and there you've got your Christmas tag for a great present.
Wow.
How's that? So there you go, that's how to make the red and green pop and to really stand out on your tags.